Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
No, I turned down the one way. Well, we gonna keep going. Driving that one way. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all. No bet. You feel me? So as y'all can see, let's run over here. We got Big Mama out in this thing. You feel me? We got the hood off. You feel me? So you already know this supercharger wine finna be bananas. No bet. You feel me? But we got Big Mama out in this bit. You feel me? I got it all cleaned up. She was dirty in the last video. I know y'all hear Big Mama growling. You feel me? I'm gonna give y'all boys some rails because I know I don't never be giving y'all no rails, so I'm gonna get my girl to rail the coffee out so y'all can hear how this bitch sound. All right, y'all go ahead and give me some rails. Yeah. Let go to the back. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what Buddy's saying, y'all. I think she told her to slide it, but hey, she ain't finna slide my shit, no doubt. But alright, y'all, we just gave y'all the rail, so now y'all, we finna go ahead and hop in the whip, give y'all boys some content, you feel me? I'm trying to be as consistent as I can, so with me putting out all that work, y'all boy gotta mess with me. Y'all gotta like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Get this video to, you feel me, 200 likes for your boy. I know y'all can make that happen. Subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all tune in when I drop more videos. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this bit. Alright, y'all, so we in the whip. You said what? None important.
I did have something to say.
What you gotta say? Say it fast, cause we finna be whipping it bit.
Don't be trying to embarrass me type shit.
Ain't nobody embarrassing. Don't start cussing.
Okay.
All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, we just turned the traction control off. And you feel me? With that being said, that means it's time to go. All right, YouTube, you feel me? Your boy Sean TV back up in that thing. Finna go ahead and get the whipping. Oh, I ain't see the homeless man. That boy tweaking. Get your goddamn ass out the road, boy. Pull your pants up, little nigga. That nigga boo-booed on himself, didn't it? But I know y'all boy like the sound of the cat, you feel me? That bitch be like, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why did? See? That bitch be like, oh yeah. You feel me? That bitch be moaning. Freak ass car. We gotta watch how we go over these speed bumps though. Let me go ahead and turn them RGB lights on white. Oh, I see you, Big Mama. We also got to be careful because there are tons of police out here. They did have a car show today, and I honestly do not know why I didn't go, y'all. I'm not going to back to y'all. Like, I could have made some footage, you feel me? Oh. That pothole right there was not nice. Look at me. Finna cause an accident. That bitch sound crazy. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going, y'all. I'm just finna be, you feel me? I'm just finna be floating that bit. But we gotta float that bit with the seatbelt on. Light green, you feel me? We back in action. Oh, I ain't got my headlights on. How dumb can I be? Oh, whoa, Whoa, little mama, hold on, pipe down, you feel me? You can't be waking up all these people, you feel me? Talk to me. Yes, daddy. Oh, that's how I like it, little mama. Yes, daddy. See? That cat be talking to you, y'all. Told you they call freaky. Go ahead and get you a cat. This bitch ain't gonna talk back. It gonna do exactly what you tell it to do. We not stopping at this light. Feel me? These downtown POVs should be, you feel me? Y'all should be getting some lighting and stuff, you know. I don't know my way downtown too much. But you feel me? I'm making my way downtown. Going fast. And I got 200 on the dash, nigga. I'm finna make a little, forget all that. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I did change the colors. I feel like the white, the yellow, and the red is like a good, you feel me? Wait, is this a one-way? No, I turned down a one-way. Well, we gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going, you feel me? Because I'm that nigga. I told y'all I don't know how to drive downtown. And I drove down another one-way. What is going on? The police gonna book me. Hold on. Y'all, I'm tweaking. This is why I don't drive downtown, y'all. Y'all thought I'd be playing. Nah, nigga, this real life. Your boy really be driving down one way. Oh! I know y'all see that camera jumping. This bitch sound like a big mosquito. I know y'all hear that bitch. This car not normal. Guys, when y'all made that car, but y'all was up to something. Oh! Whoa! See, y'all think I be playing about these roads. I'm telling you, bro. I think Alabama got the worst roads. Because I done hit some major potholes tonight. Hold on.
Oh, you just got
Oh! Yeah, I'm also trying to watch out for police. But yeah, like I was saying, this bitch sound like a big mosquito, like just in your ear. But it's not annoying, you feel me? Talk to me. You looking back like you seen 12. Huh? I think I just scared these niggas in front of me. It sounded like an airplane was driving on the road. And if I see 12, I'm gonna act like I don't know what happened. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm leaving out of the city because, like I said, I be driving on, you feel me, one ways and stuff, and I don't want to get no ticket by the police, y'all. So we finna take this bit to the trenches. It's gonna be like half city POV, half trenches. Y'all can see Big Mama getting sideways. This ain't no one way, is it? This car make you feel alive, nigga.